because it's just kind of dangles there. We're having a lot of difficulty getting this in. That's right on the chassis.
Same problem.
There's just so many different ideas.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.
Good morning, everyone. It is a cold morning here in Florida. It got down into, I want to say, like the higher 20s, lower 30s last night, and it left frost. I haven't seen frost here in forever. It's been so long. So I'm out of breath. I just got done doing my morning workout. This year I've been trying to put myself on a kind of a somewhat strict regimen of I have a journal here that I've been journaling in every day since the new year, trying to stay on a good schedule and not like overdo it, just kind of do things that I know I am capable of, so I don't feel so bad if I don't finish it. Like instead of, I'm doing meditation in the morning, so instead of doing like a 30-minute meditation, I'm only doing like a 5-minute meditation because that's a goal I know I can reach and I'll feel good afterwards. I'm doing a 10-minute workout every morning, you know, and then later on, once I get used to doing that and I start feeling good, then, you know, I'll up it if I feel like it or do more if I want to. But anyways, today Donnie is coming over. I haven't seen him since Christmas because he was sick for like 3 weeks and then of course started working again. But he is bringing over a shower insert that I've had at my mom's for, God, since last year sometime. I bought it a long time ago for like $60 at Habitat for Humanity, and it's brand new. And we're gonna try to put that in the bus today and fit that in. So then that way I can kind of get everything else done, get the bed frame actually placed in there. I didn't want to get it securely in there yet because I knew I was gonna have to move it to get the shower in through the back door. And then my mattress that I have there, he's bringing that over as well, so I can put that back in there. And my goal was to try and get it somewhat ready so I could at least sleep in it and maybe kind of camp out in it, because there's another tiny house festival coming up and I kind of wanted to drive it there. But the other day, the door, the little rod on the sides that, you know, help the door swivel open, rusted completely off. So now one of the doors are dangling, and yeah, so obviously I can't drive without a safe door, and I wasn't planning on doing the door anytime soon right now. I was originally planning to change out the door and putting a house door there, which I guess now I'm just gonna have to do it a little sooner than I originally anticipated, but that's okay. So yes, I'm excited about that. So yeah, Donnie should be here soon, so we'll see you then. So this is what I was talking about with the door here. This pin just kind of rusted away and broke off. So now when I try to open the door, I have to be very careful because it's just kind of dangles there. Also, I'll just show you really quick as far as I got with the paint sprayer. For my last video, you've seen me using the paint sprayer and then I ran out of paint. So this is all I gotten done, was this area back here. And yeah, now I have to wait for some more paint. Is it Donnie? Right here. Over here, Benny. Benny. Here. He misses you. Listen to him whine. So you haven't seen it since Shane was here. What do you think?
I think putting the partitions up would definitely help.
Oh yeah.
This. I mean,
Oh,
it's
the
not
walls.
horrible. It sags a little bit.
Right here is kind of
It's still pretty
the most. But I was thinking, it's fiberglass. Why don't we do that stuff with the boat, like we did on the boat,
Because
fiberglass stuff?
This is just honeycomb, like cardboard in there, where what that stuff is using.
Here, you sure that's the
I
same?
promise you.
I know it was here in the walls, but I don't know if it's the same on the roof.
I guarantee it.
You sure it's not
So
all?
what
Just
that stuff does is absorbs the wood that the fiberglass is on. It doesn't.
yeah. But what do you think of the floor?
I think it's good. Feels like something now, huh?
Yeah, you can
Is
actually
this
walk
where
on
the
it.
shower's going?
Yes, this is where the shower was going. This is what, from the measurements my mom gave me, what,
So we gotta figure out, and hopefully that hole doesn't fall like right on here.
I know.
That's good.
Well, we can pull it forward a little bit, if anything. Not backwards, but forwards. 13 to 17 to the middle.
13, 17, and right to the middle. It's gonna be 15.
Yeah, I was trying to go, because this is like right where the edge of the window is. Yeah, and there's, depending on how far you're going, that's right on the chassis. That's right on, yeah, the steel beam. Front to back. What if we moved it more this
Puts
way?
the front of the shower there. But that thing's running this way.
If we, oh yeah, that bar, that beam is running
So
the whole
to get away from it, we
direction.
gotta go this way or this way.
So, yes, you missed him. You missed this Donnie. So we're thinking that we're not going to be able to put a shower in here because, don't you go out there, Vinny, because the chassis, one of the chassis beams runs directly along here, and that's exactly where the drain pipe needs to go for the shower. So my only other option would be to build my own custom shower, or bring that in here, not even make it a shower, just leave it as a shell for a toilet, to put the composting toilet, or it's not composting toilet, but one of these camping toilets out there, just to set it in and have some privacy. So that's what we're on the fence about right now. Ooh, she's a wobbly. Emma, how do you do this? We're having a lot of difficulty getting this in here. The clearance that is available is like maybe a half an inch. But the tips up there keep hitting here because parts of the ceiling are drooping more than other parts. So you can't get it to flip it upright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the top and yeah, go from there. I'll show you.
You can't see that?
Yeah, you can see that.
You pull that outside.
That's what we're cutting out.
This chunk in the
all way
back.
around.
So hopefully that should fit pretty close to the top, and then you got your curve. Depth, and this is the curve. It's somewhere in here.
So we're gonna try to make the curve, and if not, it's just gonna be wide open, and we'll have to fill it in with
That's
something
what
else
trim's
later.
for.
Yes.
Before.
Safety first. It was a pain in the butt to get in, so we're not going to pull it back out just to make a couple little cuts. Benny, come on, let's get out.
You know, I bet if I just rounded this cut off.
Yeah. On this side,
Yeah, cut
this
it- I must have cut a little more.
well, because the roof is dipping. Well, it's in. As far as the distance, I mean, that's a decent amount of distance to walk.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you already know the ring.
What's
What's that?
Go to the floor to here, make it nice and level, and then drill this in. That's gonna keep your front sturdy.
You could even almost take a shower. Your head is scraping.
Yeah, I mean, it fits.
Yeah. But I mean, once you get some sort of whatever up there, you're not going to fit.
So, I wonder if you could get like a 2-inch drain down there.
Oh, yeah, we're kind of over a little bit from the mark.
Yeah, that's what I was looking.
But it's still right because that beam is
It's
parallel.
just right- so the beam runs here, right next to this thing?
I don't know exactly, but I mean, it runs parallel this way, but I don't know how close it is to that. I mean, I didn't, you'll probably figure it
This
out.
hole is right here.
Maybe if I look back on previous videos.
Slide the shower back this way, just straight back that way.
Straight back that way, yeah.
So that way we don't drill a hole.
So since we can't figure out where we can put the drain hole from above, he's gonna drill a hole from the bottom, and we're gonna move the shower to that spot. Where it will pop up, no one knows. I see you now. You're way out, basically to almost to the end of where the seat is.
Really?
Yeah. That's where it would be. Look how much gap I can fit behind here.
Closet?
Maybe. Maybe a tight spot.
Here.
You know, spot.
If I move back 13 to 14 inches right here.
So mark that spot, and then we'll put the
Okay.
shower over top of it and see if it lines up with the hole.
That's a good idea.
Nope.
Not too
Just
far
off. Yeah, but isn't that where that one beam is going right across, that steel beam?
No,
Or no,
that-
that's on this side, isn't it?
We would have to cut it.
Look, let me show you the picture. All right, so we're just gonna kind of regroup on this situation and figure out what we're gonna do later, and we're going to work on starting to frame everything in.
Only God and my mom to yourself after loving something true.
Oh, for up here, yeah. I don't know how. It's just some pressure treated, not pressure treated, but what do you call it? Like Thompson's water seal on some wood to create, you know, and it'll go down the whole way of the.
So perfect right in there, and then fill in that space.
I wonder if they sell those things at the.
You probably order it on Amazon faster than you can
Yeah.
find them locally.
We're talking about those tools. They're kind of like those things you used to get at Spencer's where you put your hand on it and all those pins and you could create like the different shape of your hand. Well, they make it now as a tool and put it up there. That would be able to create the perfect notch that we need to create some sort of backing for here so that I can fill all this in with mortar and make it flush and then put these wood slats all the way across up here. These are just some tongue and groove pieces that I have, but you know, do this, oh shit, all the way down and around, like so. So we also framed in this side as well. Shabam, shabam. Now this isn't attached yet. It's just sitting in there so we can pull it out still. But this got pretty messed up over the months of sitting. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Fill it in with something. And then what, we're just gonna attach it on this side to here? Like in here, to that?
So this is gonna have to be attached up here.
For the shower head.
Actually, there's a gap there. Otherwise, should probably fit right through here.
Yeah, even if it didn't, you could put a hole.
Yeah, put a hole.
But yeah, there's still a gap.
Your assembly, valve assembly, back behind here to there. 1 T for the sink, tank and pump.
So we also secured the bed in here too with these little L brackets. And then we also, well, we didn't do this side, but we did that side. We just stuck a shim in there and screwed it directly to the fiberglass wall. That shit is tough. Like, we had to drill holes. We couldn't just drill the screw directly into it. But our battery died, so we're gonna do the same thing over there. And yeah, now it's sturdy. It's really sturdy. It ain't moving anywhere. We're also gonna add a couple more support beams in here. One probably just going across here. And then also, even though it doesn't need it, this up here is on there pretty good, but I'm just gonna add another little piece in between here, and because it's bothering me. I don't know if it's my OCD or what, but it doesn't need it, but I'm gonna put it. Plus, when I put my exterior wall on here, it'll give me a little bit extra to tap into there. So we're gonna do that, and now we're gonna bring the mattress in. Taco.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? So far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of?
Oh, no, I don't fit on.
I wonder.
Come on.
I can see the vision. Yeah.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.